Hello, traders. It's Andy with Trade Ideas. It is October the 9th on a Monday, and seeing a little gap down this morning. Geopolitical news out there, but let's see what happens because that was a very impressive move we had in the market. Nice potential reversal candle there with some decent volume. So, you can keep it tight today, but I can't get real bearish yet, that's for sure, because after that move we had on Friday. So we'll see. But let's take a look at some setups here because I am seeing some nice setups still this morning. The first on the list is this VIST. Okay, and this is, you can see the bounce off the support level down here in the 20 moving average, and are seeing a gap up in this stock. So not one, like I said, I don't like chasing in this market, but nonetheless, impressive chart there. Maybe look for a pullback at the open or something like that in VIST. XL has been on my list for a few days. It looks like it's trying to set up today. You can see it's above all its key moving averages. Fell below them, below the 10 and the 20 there for a couple of days, but has bounced back up. Maybe just put your price alert around that 2240 level. UEC, uranium stock, and very similar to that last chart, fell below the two key moving average there, but now has regained it and looks like it may want to attempt, to take out this high in the next coming few days. Nonetheless, put your price alert to watch that UEC. That has been a hot sector lately. And let's take a look at one more here. It's SBRA. And this one is kind of in a range, tried to break that 20, but held it a couple of days there, and now it's back up kind of in the middle of the range. I guess this is one you maybe put your price alert around 415, 420, and see what happens there. All right, that's it for today. Have a good one. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.